Today, a message of utmost importance has been specially chosen for you by your guardian angel. This message concerns the person you are thinking of at this very moment and addresses a disturbing dilemma. You find yourself at a vital crossroads, trying to decide which direction to take. On one side, there is the decision to leave behind the memories of past challenges, close that door, and end an extraordinarily intense connection that has brought much protection. However, as you consider letting go, you understand that the bond between you goes beyond a mere personal choice. It is a connection that transcends individuality and offers direct support from the forces of the universe. This intuitive perception is palpable and undeniable. The meaningful conversations and decisive milestones you have shared have altered the course of your lives in a definitive and indelible way. The suggestion to move on and close that door permanently has never been an easy task, if not impossible, due to the extraordinary unity of the bond between you. You continue to find signs in the night sky that bring back memories and make you reflect on what was shared. You are completely enveloped by a constant flow of memories and feelings that arise every moment by your side. This message from your guardian angel comes to illuminate your journey and bring clarity to your heart. It is important to recognize that the deep bonds you have shared with this person are not mere accidents of fate, but manifestations of something greater, something meticulously orchestrated by the universe for your growth and learning. Every conversation, every look, every significant moment was an essential piece in the puzzle of your life, shaping who you are today and who you will become in the future. The dilemma you now face is understandable and profoundly human. The idea of leaving behind someone who has been such an integral part of your life can seem frightening and painful. However, your guardian angel wants you to know that life is a constant flow of changes, and that, sometimes, we need to close certain doors to allow new opportunities and experiences to manifest. This does not mean you should forget or devalue what has been lived, but rather that you should recognize the value of each experience and allow yourself to grow from them. This bond between you is not just emotional. It is a profound personal development that integrates into each one's self-discovery process. It is an intimate yet comforting battle, where one faces the complexity of the emotions that this relationship evokes. Despite the depth of this connection, the energy between you is often marked by conflicts. There are moments when images, music, and deep conversations you had resonate with a force that goes far beyond the barriers of time, touching the essence of your existences. The impact you had on this person's life transcends a simple memory. It is something that defines who they are today, in a way that cannot be ignored. There is a unique dynamic between you that challenges conventional order. This dynamic reflects not only love and affinity, but also contradictions and contrasts, functioning as a mirror for the similarities and differences between you in a surprising way. The influence you exert on each other is palpable. You have shaped each other, influencing thoughts, behaviors, and life perspectives. This influence is mutual and continuous, creating a cycle of constant growth and learning. Each of you has brought out aspects of the other that may have been hidden or unexplored. This dynamic is powerful and transformative, providing a level of self-knowledge and understanding that is rare to find. The complexity of the emotions involved in this relationship is something that cannot be underestimated. You experience a range of feelings that go from deep love to frustration, from joy to sadness, from security to uncertainty. These emotions are intense and sometimes conflicting, but they are an integral part of the depth of this connection. Facing and navigating these emotions is part of the growth and self-discovery process that this relationship provides. Even with the challenges and conflicts, there is an intrinsic beauty in this relationship. The beauty of knowing each other so deeply, of accepting each other with all imperfections, and of supporting each other. There is beauty in facing challenges together and finding solutions that strengthen the bond between you. There is beauty in loving so deeply and being loved back in a way that is authentic and true. The infinity of love is a visible force, manifesting in the sky and the infinite possibilities of the universe. The loneliness in the absence of the other is felt at every moment, even in the presence of friends, in the constant shadows of life. The daylight or the darkness of night makes every moment apart a lost moment, a missed opportunity to experience life beside true love. Always the partner's voice resonates in a particular way, bringing an experience of perfect connection, in harmony with the forces of the universe that I have never encountered before, in the absence of their company. However, daily life has lost its shine, conversations have cooled, and personal satisfaction or joy has become merely personal. Life without you by my side is like an empty echo of purpose. Though distant, there is always the constant presence of your guardian angel, wishing to overcome physical separation. The love and moral connection are constant, beyond the barrier of space, pauses, or separations, with the inevitability of a future reunion. The final shadow of the steps forward was inevitable, guided by gratitude, not just for having the necessary self-confidence, but for having someone on the other side of this journey of self-discovery. This crucial moment will mark the beginning of a new chapter in our love story, which will always persist and grow stronger. Remember, love is an exceptional force that finds and nourishes the mind and sincerity. However, the intensity of the absence is a constant reminder of the depth of feelings. Every everyday gesture that once went unnoticed now carries a greater weight. The morning cup of coffee, the gentle breeze at the end of the day, and even the silence of the starry nights, all have turned into memories of you, as if each moment is waiting for your presence to truly complete. Love, in its purest form, transcends physical and temporal barriers. It is a feeling that, even in absence, strengthens and adapts to circumstances, finding ways to manifest in the subtlest details of life. With each passing day, the certainty that this connection is unique and irreplaceable solidifies, bringing with it a sense of purpose and direction. Although the routine may seem less vibrant without you, it has also become a silent testament to waiting and hope. Each small progress, each goal achieved, carries with it the promise of a shared future, where individual experiences and achievements become part of a common narrative. And in this journey of waiting, there is a constant learning about patience, resilience, and unconditional love. The separation, despite being painful, is proof that true love can overcome any obstacle. It is a phase that, though challenging, prepares the ground for an even more meaningful reunion. The hope of a future together illuminates the path, making each step lighter and each day more bearable. And when you finally are together again, each moment of separation will have served to strengthen the bond you shared. It will be as if the universe had conspired to teach you to value each second by each other's side even more. The reunion will be the culmination of all accumulated desires and dreams, turning the waiting into a sweet relief and the distance into a memory of overcoming. Each moment apart will have been a test of resilience, love, and patience. You will have learned to appreciate the small moments, the subtleties of life, and the importance of being present for each other. This time apart, which sometimes seemed endless, will have served as a constant reminder of what truly matters. You will understand that true love does not weaken with distance, but strengthens, adapts, and grows in ways you never imagined. When you reunite, each hug will have a deeper meaning, each look will be full of understanding, and each word will be laden with sincerity. The waiting will have been a catalyst for a love even more intense and authentic. You will have the opportunity to rediscover each other, to relive memories, and to create new ones, with a renewed appreciation for each other's presence. The difficulties faced will become stories of overcoming, and the moments of longing will transform into celebrations of reunion. This reunion will be like a new beginning, where each day will be valued and each experience will be lived fully. You will have the chance to build a future together, where each plan and each dream will have an even greater meaning. The joy of being together again will be reflected in every smile, in every gesture of affection, and in the certainty that your love is strong enough to overcome any adversity. Finally, never forget that love is a force that moves mountains, crosses borders, and defies the laws of time and space. It is an eternal flame that, even in the midst of adversities, continues to shine with intensity. And this flame, fueled by the certainty of true love, will always be the light that guides your path and keeps your hearts united, no matter how far apart you may be. True love is an indomitable force that knows no limits and that, even in the most difficult circumstances, continues to shine. It is a constant source of hope and inspiration, motivating each of you to continue, to fight, and to believe. No matter how many barriers are imposed, true love always finds a way to prevail, to overcome obstacles, and to manifest in its purest and most beautiful form. The universe wishes only the best for you. Accept the decisions you have made in your life and embrace the blessings that God and the universe offer you. Every choice, every path taken, has a higher purpose, even if it is not immediately clear. Trust in the process, in the journey you are on, and know that everything that happens has a reason and a purpose. The blessings that the universe and God bring into your life are infinite and abundant. Be open to receiving them, recognizing them, and valuing them. Each challenge faced, each obstacle overcome, is an opportunity for growth, learning, and strengthening. And in every moment of difficulty, remember that you are loved, supported, and guided by higher forces that wish only your well-being and happiness. By accepting the decisions you have made, you are honoring your path and your journey. You are recognizing the wisdom and courage in each choice and allowing the natural flow of life to guide you. Receiving blessings with open arms is an act of faith, trust, and love. It is believing that, no matter what happens, you are exactly where you should be, and that each step taken is bringing you closer to your destiny. Believe in the power of love, in the strength of your bond, and in the wisdom of the universe. Each moment of separation, each challenge faced, is preparing you for something greater and better. And when you finally are together again, it will be a celebration of love, resilience, and faith. You will be ready to live a life full of joy, purpose, and true love, knowing that you have overcome all adversities and that your love is stronger than any obstacle. Therefore, keep walking with confidence, with hope, and with love. Know that you are never alone and that true love always finds a way. Accept the blessings that come to you and trust that the best is yet to come. And when the reunion finally happens, you will be ready to enjoy every moment, every smile, and every hug, knowing that your love is eternal and unbreakable. Take a moment to let these words resonate with you. Remember that you are loved and protected by the universe. Type 777 to claim this message and the blessings it contains. To help increase your blessings, share this video with your groups and others who may also benefit from the blessings and help of this video. Did you know there is a possible image of your soulmate that you can see right now? It could be someone you know or someone you haven't met yet. These images are surprisingly accurate. You need to see the picture to understand what I'm saying. Click the link in the description to get the portrait of your soulmate. An important message awaits in the next video. I hope each word has touched your heart and that you have found inspiration and comfort in our messages of love and hope. Always remember that you are not alone on this journey and that a higher power is watching over you every step of the way. Share this message with your loved ones, bring light to those in darkness, and be an agent of positive change. May God be with you, and stay tuned for the next video of faith, peace, and comfort. Amen.